It's okay, your face not
Okay,
there.
so if you have this done, then of course you come back here and do your pod installer. You should just update your Xcode project with the FireBase pods. Then, with your FireBase pods, you will basically once it's inside. Then what you want to do is you want to go back to your once you want to go back to your FireBase console, and you can basically create a new project, name it whatever you want. So I already created this. And then when you're creating this, right, let's say if you're adding an app, it steps you through the process for getting what you need. So for example, you follow the process to type out what you need for your particular project. I don't think I'll do a proper one because I already have this set up. Okay, so this is the portion that's important. You want to download this Google Service Info plist. So you remember how Foursquare had the authentication tokens, right? Google Service Info plist keeps all the authentication information inside a single external file so that you don't have to manually type it anywhere in your code. What I do is I put it inside the actual project so that now whenever I compile the project, right, it has access to the tokens and all that, right? But what I also do is I add it to my git ignore list. This last portion here, this last line, so that it doesn't get committed to GitHub. So in the case of me ever putting this up on GitHub as an open source project where anybody can see my code, they will not see this important information, like the ways to access your actual FireBase account. This is kind of like one of the rule of thumbs when you're doing this kind of projects. We try to keep these things outside.
Oh, okay.
Because these are like authentication information, you don't want to keep it inside the project.
And you say to keep this outside, what must we do again?
If you're using Git to commit your work, right, we can add it to this git ignore file. I don't know if we created a git ignore file for your project yet. Maybe
No.
not. Yeah. Let's walk through that. Basically, you can get a template git ignore file from GitHub itself, or
okay.
both should have something.
Okay.
Then it will ignore stuff that is not useful for pushing to basically all the temporary stuff, like you notice .build is here and some other stuff. So these are things that you don't actually need to commit to GitHub because they change very, very frequently and they differ from computer to computer. Pods also I don't commit, but depends on your own team's decision. In my case, I choose not to commit because I rather they do a clean pod install. But some people prefer them to commit pods because they don't want them to install the wrong versions. In case like the version change and you don't want to change to a new version and stuff like that. But for me, I think it's okay, so I leave it out. And of course, after that, I added my own line for the FireBase plist file.
Okay.
So now my authentication data is not inside, right? So when you do this, right, and you do your commits inside your source tree or whatever, the plist file will never get added to this page. You'll never see it show up here, it gets ignored completely. Then once you're done with that, and you've added your pods, the fourth line is it's just a one-liner. It's actually just a one-liner. So over here I import FireBase, and over here I do this one line, FireBase app.configure. That's all. The rest are my own codes for testing, so you can know those for now. So basically that connects you to FireBase already, right? Then the next step is for you to start working with data on FireBase. For that, I will come back to this.
Can I just check one point? Just now, that means when you say to not include those files, you only type in a sentence, right? Then
Yeah.
Which is the command that protects the
authentication.
doesn't push it to.
Basically, okay, so Nano is my text editor, right? So I'm accessing this .git ignore file. So inside my folder with the git, there's also a git ignore file. Anything inside the git ignore file, git will basically ignore. So you add it to that list so that git will ignore it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I just type dot something something dot git ignore.
So I open nano git ignore, and these are all the files that git will ignore when they are looking for files to update, right? So you'll never be able to commit any of these and save it to GitHub. That's the idea.
Do we need to type it in?
No, okay, so these come as a template from GitHub directly.
Okay.
So for example, GitHub Swift. Yeah, this comes provided by GitHub directly themselves. And basically I just use their file. If you created a new repository on GitHub, right, they can include this file straight into your project folder for you.
Oh.
But normally because I do it after I've already created the Xcode project, then I manually just paste this in.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that means you manually paste in after you type the something dot git ignore in the command line.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Then you're basically done. FireBase is already set up. The next step is to start getting data out.
Okay.
So you'll see some things here that are quite default. Like for example, under authentication, I have sign-in methods that I can enable. So the basic one would be email password. You can log in with an email address. You can sign up with an email address and then log in with an email address. Or you can turn on any of these logins, Google, Facebook, Twitter, blah, blah, blah. Then, first thing I did is I created my own login for testing purposes. So I added a user here. These are all manually added. Then, database is where your actual data lies. So, FireBase data, right, is different from a conventional database. There are two kinds of databases when we talk about database. More information about both of these databases online
Okay.
in your free time, but I will give you like the quick summary version.
Okay.
So you've heard of stuff like SQL and all that, right? So your conventional like SQL database, you'll probably have like a table here that has like users. Then we've got like 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you'll have like maybe something else, messages. Then the content of the message. And then you probably have another column that has like the user that posted the message. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that, right? So now you know that this message belongs to me, this message belongs to Emma, this message belongs to Sean, something like that. Then you have another table again, which could be something else. Let's just say images. Every record has its own ID. Then you have the content itself. And then you link it back to something. So maybe every user has a message, maybe every message has an image. So now again, 1, 2, 3, 4. You got 4. Then as I go further and further, right, then have more and more tables. So if you look at a simple chat app, maybe you've got like 4 tables. If you look at something more in depth, like events app, then you have like events, you have I don't know, likes list, interest list, etc., etc. Sorting out what kind of data you need to save, right, is usually quite troublesome. So for example, if you're doing likes, right, I can say that, okay, maybe my images, I have one more count for likes, and I'll just say number of likes, right? The number of likes could be like 3, 7, 6, 5, 4. But this becomes just a number. You don't have information on who liked your thing. So normally we don't save just the number. What we want to do is we want to save the IDs of the person who liked the object, right? Then if you're thinking saving of IDs, it can't be that for the likes you want to save person 1, person 2, person 4, person 3, person 7 within one column of data, right?
Mhm.
This becomes very unsearchable. So for example, if I want to get all the images that ever liked, I can't possibly go through every image, go through this array, and
To
pick out and
find-
check every line to see whether you search for it, right? So what we do instead is, we often create one more table. For convenience sake, we will create one more table that will be like likes, and then it will be clear cut. It will be used, the like itself will always have its own key. And over here we'll have something like the image and the user. So maybe image 1 is liked by you, image 1 is liked by me, image 1 is liked by Sean, image 1, 2 is liked by something else. So now instead we can traverse just this one, where it's a lot faster in a single kind of like loop, there's no nested or anything, and I can quickly get the exact total number of likes per image, and I can also get the total number of images liked by you alone. So I can get both kinds of data instantly. And for me, with just this ID, right, I can also retrieve a record directly from any of these other tables.
Okay.
This is kind of how SQL works. So you will always have a primary key for every table. And then we will always have like IDs that can help us link to the other tables. So likes can link to like images and users, images can link to messages, then messages can link to users, something like that. So this is like conventional SQL database gets, the more tables you have, and then we'll start using very complex sentences to start combining our data. So oftentimes you'll see sentences like select everything, which is asterisk from messages where user equals 1, for example. This gives all my messages. Or then sometimes you can start using join statements to join based on like maybe the user liking like images or something like that. So it can get quite complex to get the exact kind of data we want. But in the old days, this was like the fast way of doing things. FireBase is different. FireBase is what they call flat data. There's only one big giant table that belongs to your app. What they call flat data. It already stores the data in the format that you are retrieving it in. So basically your app will have main keys. Then your main keys, one of the main keys is users. Then inside users, then you have like your unique ID. Then inside here you have name, messages. Then over messages, right, oftentimes what I do, like the way I figured it out to work was I would store just the ID. So it'll be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then under another column, it doesn't look very, I don't know what's the word, like very different, because for you, you'll just be using the data either way, right? But FireBase style is about getting the data you want as fast as possible. So within one route, you'll be like connect to the app, connect to the user, connect to you, get all the messages you created in one shot. Then from here, because I'm still connected by sockets, right, whichever of these IDs, I can straight away retrieve directly from here. Like it becomes an instant flow, then I get all the data I want in the same request. I don't have to go through like maybe like 6 different tables to get the data I want. But the difference is that when I'm updating my data, I have to make sure that if I delete a message from here, I have to delete the message from wherever else I also saved it. Yeah.
So you
It's
mean
slightly more troublesome, but the idea is that over time, depending on what your app is doing, right, it could potentially be a lot faster. It's faster for retrieving data.
okay.